Hello, my dear friends, and welcome back to Storytime with Mrs. Simmons. Today's book, because Easter's right around the corner, is Max's Chocolate Chicken by Rosemary Wells. And she's also the illustrator of this Easter story. One morning, somebody put a chocolate chicken in the bird bath. "I love you," said Max. Look who's peeking around the corner. "Wait, Max," said Max's sister Ruby. "First we go on an egg hunt. If you find the most eggs, then you get the chocolate chicken. And if I find the most eggs, then I get the chocolate chicken," said Ruby. Max went looking for eggs, but all he found was a mud puddle. Ruby found a big yellow egg. Max didn't find any. "No eggs, no chicken, Max," said Ruby. Max went looking again, but all he found were acorns. Ruby found a blue egg. "Max," said Ruby, "pull yourself together, otherwise you'll never get the chocolate chicken." So Max went looking with Ruby. Ruby found a red egg with green stars. Max found a spoon. Ruby found a gold egg with purple stripes and a turquoise egg with silver swirls and a lavender egg with orange polka dots. Max found some ants. Then he made an ant and acorn pancakes. "Max," said Ruby, "you'd have trouble finding your own ears if they weren't attached to your head." Ruby counted her eggs. "I'm the one who's going to get the chocolate chicken, Max," said Ruby. But Max ran away. He hid. What's he going to do, my dear friends? The bird bath was empty. "Where are you, Max?" Ruby called. Max ate the chicken's tail. "I see you, Max," said Ruby, but she didn't. Max ate the chicken's head. "I'll give you half the chocolate chicken, Max," yelled Ruby. Max ate the wings. Then he popped out of his hiding place. Oh, look what's on his face, my friends. What's Ruby gonna say? "Max," said Ruby, "how could you do this to me?" "I love you," said Max. Do you think he gave Ruby the other chocolate chicken? I hope so. I think he's a good brother. The end.